So good evening, one and all to present here. So myself Farul Sulum from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. So I am going to present a video about overview of database languages in this video. So before going into that, we have to know what are database languages. So database languages are special languages used to define, manipulate, control, and query data in a database. They allow users and applications to create database structures, store and retrieve data, control access, maintain consistency and security. Most database languages are part of SQL, that is structured query language. So these are the classifications of database languages. So database languages are broadly classified into these four types, that is DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. So DDL is used for definition, and DML is used for manipulation, whereas DCL is used for controlling, and TCL is used for transaction. And we'll see what are DDL. So DDL is used to define and modify the structure of the database. It creates tables, alter table structure, deletes database objects. So common DDL commands are like create, alter, drop, and truncate. So this is an example for create command, that is what create table and then table name, and then we are using student ID, it's an attribute, and then integer is a data type, primary key, and then name attribute, and varchar of 50 it is a data type, and department is an attribute, varchar of 30 is a data type. So this query is used for creating a table named student. And next one is DML, that is data manipulation language. It is used to insert, update, delete, and retrieve data from tables. So types are such as procedural DML and non-procedural DML. Where in procedural DML, user specifies how to retrieve data, and in non-procedural DML, user specifies what data is needed, that is by using SQL. And these are common DML commands, that is insert, update, delete, and select. And we have given one example here, that is what insert into student values, that is the record values given. So we are inserting values into table named student. So there are three attributes we are inserting, that is 101 is maybe student ID, and R1 is a student name, and CS is a department. And next query select star from student is used for selecting a records from a table student. And next one is data control language. DCL is used to control access permissions to the database. So it provides security, restricts unauthorized access. So common DCL commands are grant and revoke. Examples are given, that is grant select on student to faculty. It is an example for grant command. And revoke insert on student from student. It is an example for revoke command. And next one is TCL, that is transaction control language. The purpose is TCL is used to manage database transactions. So it ensures data consistency, supports rollback in case of errors. So common TCL commands are such as commit, rollback, save point. So example, we are using an update query, update student, set department equal to A, where student ID equal to 101. And then we are making commit to save changes, and then if there is any error, we can make a rollback by using a rollback command. And this is an example for query language, that is a select query. It is used to retrieve specific data from the database. Example, select name comma student from student where department equal to CAC and department equal to CECE. That is, we are selecting the attributes, column names or attributes, name and department from the table name student, where the condition is what, department equal to CAC and department equal to ECE, we are selecting it. And this is the table which shows the result. In table we are having what, Arun CAC, and then Fatima ECE, and then Joseph Meg. From that we are selecting only the records, that is the student department equal to CAC and ECE. So based on the select query, we are getting the result set here. So this is the summary table among four classifications of database languages, that is DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. So DDL means what? Data definition language, and its purpose is to define database structure. Whereas DML means data manipulation language, the purpose is to manipulate data. And DCL means data control language, and the purpose is to controls access. And TCL means transaction control language, and the purpose is to manage transactions. So thank you.